Alright, so we're out at Cascade Springs Preserve, also a battlefield. Using my new Moment app and lenses today. We're gonna see a little bit of waterfalls in and around Atlanta. So, looking pretty. Seeing if it's supposed to have some video stabilization on this app, so we'll see what happens. Up on a little bit of falls here. It's kind of cool. Really wet today. It's been raining the past 2 days. So waterfalls should look good. They're probably small, but that's okay. It's kind of a cloudy day. All right, up here. This must be Springhouse Falls here. You can't see that. I can't really zoom in, I don't think. The falls there as I get closer to it. So yeah, this is inside of I guess a little town, Cascade Heights. It's a cool little waterfall actually. So filming with the Moment lens on. My 58 ooh, that one probably buzzed by pretty fast. The telephoto lens, and yeah, just checking this out. Yeah, generally the security I've seen there is pretty good. They're used to the traffic, so they're used to pushing people through, I'm guessing, but whatever. I've never had any issues. Alright, so this would be one of Atlanta's many hidden gems, I would say. Just kind of tucked inside of a little neighborhood here with some historical points of reference and some cool little waterfalls, it looks like. But reminds me a lot of Little Mulberry Park in Gwinnett. Oh yeah, while I think about it, it's January 2nd, and it's like 50 degrees out. Oh hey, there's a nice down. Nope, that's not in our way. But yeah, this is more like the weather we hiked in on Christmas Day last year. Oh, okay, I see why it rerouted. This tree is down. This tree is down. We'll go back that way. So there are a lot of little offshoot connector trails in here that get a little bit confusing, but it's not too bad. Oop. A lot of walkovers.
But there's no marking.
There's a rock up here. Yeah, there's no marking. The terrain looks pretty good though. Pretty flat most of the way. Wet. Just a cool little area over here. Oh, there's the pond.